Problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back.
So here we are in 2022. The car is now hyper blue off of 2016 STI, the limited edition color. It has Feel 441 coilovers, rotor grids on it, which are actually coming off and going on my fiance's Crosstrek here soon. Mishimoto gold front mount intercooler, Tomei equal length headers, HKS turbo back exhaust, HKS sequential 4 blow off valve, big brake kit, Sparco steering wheel, NRG hardest bar, Sparco harnesses. I now wish I had started documenting this car way earlier because it's my baby and I just always had a love and passion for it. It makes all the right sounds. The equal length headers change it up a little bit. And I know some people might not like it. It doesn't make Subaru sounds anymore, but it just sounds like a fucking rally car now. Like, so unfortunately I'm just on an STI turbo right now, but I do have plans in the future to go bigger turbo. Hence the big ass intercooler that I went with. Also, I got a Cybon carbon fiber hood. The car definitely needs some love, but I'm putting some love into it right now, and hopefully the love pays off and we can start putting some fast parts on it. I eventually want to build the motor. I eventually want to put a turbo on it. Since this car is the intermission on my stream, twitch.tv/Skadoosh, I play like Escape from Tarkov and FPS games and stuff like that, but it's my intermission stream that I made in 3D software. So I figured it was time to make a video explaining it so you guys finally see what this car is all about. There's just something about this car. From the sounds it makes to the way it drives, it's just, I can't get rid of it. I've owned many other cars. I've owned an S13 hatch. I've owned a EG 4-door Civic with a built top end. And both those cars are gone now. But my Subaru, I can't get rid of it. It's not going anywhere. It'll never, ever, ever go anywhere. So I figured now would be the best time to start documenting this car. I mean, the amount this car has changed in 10 years, like, if I keep it another 10 years, what the hell is this gonna look like? It's only got 150,000 miles on it, which isn't bad at all for an 07. No other car makes the noises this one does. That I've driven. Yeah, other cars have blow-off valves. Yeah, other cars have boxer motors. But no other car has my blow-off valve and my boxer motor with unequal length headers. It's just the way this car handles, the way it sounds, the way it feels like. And going from daily in this thing to maybe putting 50 miles a month on it because I'm working at home all the time, I most of the time just drive the fiance's Crosstrek, and it's also a manual. So it's like getting in this car, it's just full race car mode. Just from the second you turn the key, it's like no AC. I'm burning up right now. It's 75 outside. I got the windows up. But who cares? It's just, I love this car so very much. And I want to bring you guys on this journey. One more pull for good luck. Even with these gas prices, it's all about smiles per gallon. Fuck the miles per gallon when you're getting smiles per gallon.
a foe in affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a nigga who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bucket. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pie. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy the vibe, and 40 on 50 is really the time. Why are you all on my phone like you want me, like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side? I don't know if you bitches are thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time.